Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to show and display FPS on the NVIDIA app. Now once you launch the NVIDIA app on this interface, come to the top right, click on this gear cog to access your settings. Now here, just make sure in-game overlay is actually toggled on. Come here, click on settings, okay? And here I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you see performance monitoring. And from here, just go ahead and click on this. Make sure it's actually disabled. As you can see, this one is disabled. Go back and then click on HUD layout. And from HUD layout, I want you to go ahead and click on performance from all these settings. Now, you get the position, so make sure it's not off. I want you to come here and choose FPS. So once we click FPS, you'll see it has been toggled on and you'll see your FPS at the top right. And all you need to do is go back and it's done. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.